Hey there fellow singers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Kalena from Voice Savvy and we are dedicated to helping you reach your highest potential as singers. Now I'm thrilled to have you here for another exciting video, and in today's video we're going to be delving into a topic that can truly transform our singing journeys, which is embracing constructive criticism, which is not always easy to embrace, but as singers, feedback is like a hidden gem. It has the power to really refine our skills, broaden our horizons, and take our musicality to soaring heights. Constructive criticism, when shared with care, and I mean care, and expertise, really provides us with invaluable insight into areas where we can improve. It offers a fresh perspective and really allows us to learn from experienced vocal coaches and our fellow musicians. So, fellow singers, I want to challenge you today to actively seek out constructive criticism, no matter how hard it is. Attend workshops, take lessons, and actively seek feedback from trusted mentors and peers. Let their insights guide you on your journey to becoming the best version of yourself, the best vocalist that you can be. Hey singers, I just finished week 6 of my Become a Self-Diagnostic Singer program, and this stuff works. Over the past 6 weeks, I've seen singers in my program really gain confidence, expand their range, and really just take control of their voices. So if you want to unlimit your potential and become a true vocal pro, then this program, this live coaching program, is 100% for you. Here's what you'll get: 2 hours of live weekly coaching with me. You'll get a weekly 30-minute support call just to make sure that you're on track, and then you'll get 6 months access to program materials, vocal warm-ups and workouts via my Voice Savvy app. You'll get the tools to assess and strengthen your voice independently. Spots are limited for the next round, so if you're serious about leveling up your vocals, now's the time. Hit me up, let's chat, or just click the link below. And I really can't wait to help you unleash your inner superstar. When receiving feedback, it's crucial to approach it with an open mind and a humble heart, and constructive criticism is not a reflection on our worth as artists, but it's a stepping stone towards improvement. Embrace feedback as a gift and an opportunity to really refine your technique, expand your vocal range, or enhance your stage presence, whatever it is that you're working on. As a community, let's create an environment where constructive criticism is welcomed and encouraged. Let's support and guide one another, offering thoughtful feedback that really is uplifting and inspiring. Together, we can foster an atmosphere of growth and development, propelling each other forward in our singing journeys. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And that's just so that you never miss out on an update. But I think that's pretty much it from me. Let's just keep growing. Let's keep striving to be the best versions of ourselves, the best singers that we can be. And that is pretty much it from me. Until next time, I will see you soon. Bye.